Both are excellent players. This is single MS40 semi-final. Simardeep Singh is from Punjab, and Saurabh will also plays in Mohali 78. Both are very excellent players. It will be a good match. Simardeep to serve, goes into the sidelines. Low service by Saurabh, deceptive service, gets a point. Saurabh to serve to Simar. Very, very good net play by Simardeep. That Simardeep serves. Good reply by Saurabh. Again a backhand reply by Saurabh. Oh, I think Saurabh, it was going out and he just lifted Saurabh. Judgment is also a crucial thing, but when there's such a crucial point, sometimes you cannot decide it is going out or in. Dhol has interrupted. Simardeep serve, high serve, and a very good net reply and drop by Saurabh. Good point taken by Saurabh. Saurabh serve and a net reply by Simardeep, and a backward court toss by Simar, and then again backward clear by Saurabh. Again a toss, high tosses, game of high tosses is going on. High clears, then off and on, net drop is there. This net drop of Saurabh goes in the sidelines. Simardeep Singh to serve, high toss serve, and a very good reply by Saurabh. It was a drop which could not be negotiated by Simardeep Singh. Point to Saurabh. High toss serve, but goes into the sidelines, tram lines. Simardeep Singh to serve. High serve, and a net reply by Saurabh. Then again a toss by lift by Simar, and net play by Simar, a net drop. Very effective net drop by Simardeep. I'm speaking little low so that the players are not disrupted. They are not disturbed by my voice. Very, very good net players going on. Ultimately, Saurabh gets the point from net play and drop. Saurabh gives a deceptive serve, low serve, and a very good net play, very good drop. Middle of the net. When there's a middle of the net, the other person gets less angle. He has less angles to respond. Good tosses and good rallies going on. Ultimately, Saurabh wins by a net drop. Cross court net drop. Very effective cross court net drop. Saurabh serves, low serve, deceptive serve, and a very good cross court Oh, it was a good flat drive, but then a good reply by Simmer also, which could not be negotiated by Saurabh. You get a little split second late, but that only more matters. Simmer gives a very high serve and then a low drop and a net play accident. In a deft manner, he has given that net point. Very good flat drive by Simardeep. Very fast drive. He did not just have time, Saurav. Very good high toss serve by Simar. Saurav serves, high toss serve. Simardeep serves, high toss serve, and a smash by first a smash by Saurav, and then a change of pace and a slow drop near the net gets him a point. Very good point taken by Saurav. Saurav serves, high toss serve, and reply by Simar. Good reply by Simar, and a backhand, such a effective backhand, powerful reply by Simardeep, and a cross court, very good smash by Saurabh. Gets a point. Both are excellent players. Saurabh serves, high serve, and very good cross court drive by Saurabh. But given by point given to Simardeep. Very good smash by Saurabh. Direct on the service. It was a mid-court service which could be attacked. Very good smash again by Saurabh in the middle of court. Saurabh serves to Simar. Simardeep gives the toss return. Then again backward toss by Simardeep. And a very good deft touch by Saurabh. Net play. Very good drop. Got a sure shot point. Good service by Saurabh. And a good smash, but just landed in the net. Game won by Simardeep 21-14. Second game just to start. Simardeep serves a very good deceptive serve, low serve, immediately gets him a point. There was a loose return which he immediately killed. Simardeep serves, low serve again, then a high toss, backward toss, which just went out unfortunately. Saurabh serves, high toss, back serve, then a net drop. Again a wonderful smash. It was very well replied and defended by Simardeep and ultimately gets a point by net play and net drop. Simardeep serves, high serve, back serve, then a net play, then again backhand cross court, very good but equally well negotiated by Saurabh. Saurabh now serves to Simar, good serve, backhand serve, and a good rally is going on, but ultimately put it in net by Saurabh. He tried to give drop, but just landed in net. Simardeep serves high toss serve, very high serve, very good serve, and again a reply, a net reply. Saurabh gives good reply, very good, powerful backhand by Saurabh, but then he gives a reply which goes on the sidelines. Simardeep to serve to Saurav, very high serve, back backward serve, and good reply by Saurav, and a drop by Simar, very good drop. Excellent rally is going on. Cross court drive by Simar, which goes out, which goes to the tram lines. Saurav serves low serve, backcourt toss, and a very good cross court drop by Simardeep. Excellent drop. They have a wonderful game, Simardeep and by Simar. Simar gives a very good reply. Then cross court net drop by Simar. Then he gives Saurabh gives backcourt. Good tosses are going on, but ultimately Saurabh sends it into to the sidelines. Simardeep serves very high serve and a good reply by Saurabh, but goes out. Very high serve sometimes becomes very difficult to negotiate because shuttle comes at a 90 degree नीचे की तरफ आती है तो उसका एंगल के कारण it becomes very difficult. But these good players, they are able to negotiate it well. Saurabh serves high serve, then a drop by Simar, again a cross court drop, just landed outside. Saurabh to serve to Simar. Oh, tried to give a deceptive low serve, short serve, but landed in the net. Simar gets immediate point. Simardeep to serve to Saurabh. High serve, back serve, and reply comes to the sidelines by Saurabh. Simardeep gets a point. Very good serve, low serve by Simardeep, and a very good tosses. And flat return by Saurabh goes out. Now this is half time, water break. Time to rethink your strategies or change of tactics. Sometimes after the half time, game turns. Simardeep Singh to serve to Saurabh. Good serve, and a very good smash by Saurabh. And just Simardeep could not defend it. Saurabh serves to Simardeep, and reply by Saurabh lands in the tram lines, sidelines. Simar serves very deceptive low serve, but his flat return goes out. It was a good flat drive, but just landed outside. Saurabh gets point. Saurabh gets a good service, but equally good net reply by Simardeep Singh. Simardeep Singh serves high serve, backcourt serve, and very good backhand cross court. Oh, hard luck. But this backhand cross court was very good on by Simardeep. A very good drop. Very good cross court forehand drop by Simardeep. Simardeep serve, high serve, backcourt serve, and a net reply by Saurav. Again, a very good net drop by Saurav. Two beautiful net drops get him an immediate point. Saurav to serve, high serve, toss serve, and a smash by Simardeep but goes to the sidelines. Saurav gets the point. Saurabh to serve, high serve, backward serve, and a very good drop. Cross court drop by Simardeep Singh. Simardeep serves and a draw and a smash by Saurabh, but equally well defended by Simardeep and gets a point. Simardeep serve, high backward serve, and a high toss by Saurabh. Then again a Saurabh negotiates well. Good tosses war is going on, and then and gets that opportunity to net kill. Saurabh net kills. Little loose reply by Simardeep. Saurabh serves, slow serve, deceptive serve, immediately given on the backhand side of Saurabh by Simardeep, which he could not negotiate. Simardeep Singh serves, high serve, backward serve, and a net reply by Saurabh, net drop, good drop, and gets a point. Saurabh serves, slow serve, and a low reply by Simardeep, net reply, and gets a point. Simardeep Singh serves, high serve, backward serve, and a smash by Saurabh, and a net reply, and Saurabh gets the point. Saurabh to serve to Simardeep, high serve, and a drop by Simardeep, and then a cross court drop by Simardeep. Very good cross court drop. Simardeep Singh gives a high serve and a very good drop by Saurabh, and again a drop by net play by Simardeep. Good exchange is going on between these two. Both are very good players. And a drop by Saurabh, and then a smash, and then a placing, and then a backcourt. Again a toss. Again a backcourt toss by Saurabh. Great backhand. Great play shown by. They have powerful backhands. Saurabh did a very good, powerful backhand and got a point. Saurabh serve, backward serve, and a very good net drop by Simardeep. Again a net drop. Two excellent net drops, cross court net drops, and gets a immediate point. Simardeep serve, or a low serve, very good deceptive, but goes short. Very, very good interception by Simar. Immediately attacked the service and wins the match. Simardeep Singh, and the very good sportsman spirit shown by though they are hugging each other. That's a good display.